so I'll throw it in your forehead. Oh my god. But it had no lens to zoom it. So I tell you about its properties. I can already it in the 60mm focus lens and 8mm eyepiece. This is shown I did the stop and through it and the make is the cleanser. I can zoom is the 50mm lens that and 8mm eyepiece through 80x zoom. 87x zoom I can through it. But I can order 80mm lens and 10mm eyepiece rather than 150mm zoom in. 150x zoom in. This is your lower Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it can very fast and it cleans. You can finally command yo. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I tell you about telescope. There are many problems in the winter and in the holidays of the school in the winters. So I thought and I made the telescope that you have made. This is a very lens of the taste and I shown I did the just body of that and I purchased online and have the time the kit. And this is a magnifying glass. This is used for the bigger in the kind of the zooming and zoom out the thing. And this is a very and this size is a 60mm. You can do it. It has size the 60mm and this is my you can see it. And this is I thought you as a lenses again online purchasing the this got and I tell you have been received this message. Can you see it and the very small? So I tell you about this. This is my motion. Can I see it? Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Sun. But you don't have the sun in the morning. You have the evening and morning is the sun. You have done the sun afternoon. You can see it as a very beautiful, but it's very massage. It's made just the foam. It's the main god and his station at home. So I then station all the plants of the telescope and I purchase and I station. So I tell you about some everywhere. I can see the Jupiter, moon and everyone. I cannot imagine what is that one. I don't know what is that one, but I am very excited for him. And I saw it in the and this is very hard and the main properties of this telescope is eyepiece, this is eyepiece and the shape formula. And this is focus length and this focus length is very good. And you have made the lens measure in the plant's tilt at angle of 66.2 degrees. But he then used the diagonal for the result. And I can take a 120 degrees in the 90 degrees. I can use the 90 degrees diagonal in there and I can use the mirror for the best scenery and the tilt mobile. So I tell you about some. Third this is then the moon in this side and I can see it. So I telescope in the face this side and oh my god, I'm very tilted. So I use the diagonal and instead tilt at angle of 1.90 degrees. So focus in the moon and I can use the clapper. Oh my god. So these are using a diagonal focus lens, focus lamp and a 90mm and 10mm eyepiece. So you can make this video of us and share with your friends, subscribe, like and comment.